Hello everyone. I hope everyone who's watching here today is having a great day. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. So today we are unboxing these packages from Nail Reserve. So they asked me to choose 6 colors, and these are the colors that I chose, but in fact I actually chose 4 colors, and the other 2 were cuticle oil and this beautiful mini lamp. So I've been seeing this mini lamp everywhere, even in my local nail stores, but I've always thought maybe it's not too powerful, so I don't want to get it because it will be just a waste of time. So if you want to, you can just pause and read what I'm showing you guys here. So I'm trying my best to hold it for as long as possible so that you can be able to pause. It gives you the descriptions and what the lamp can actually do. It's quite powerful for its small size. I thought it would be a waste of money if I bought it, and this lamp has proven to me that I would have been wrong in my decision. So it comes just with a manual, a user manual, and they put 2 in here, but it's actually the same thing. And again, I'm gonna try and hold it up for you so you can pause and read through it. It's just the instructions on how to use it, and and this is what they have. Though it says 9 free formulas, I think this is an old manual. They are currently sitting on their website at 21 free formulas. So this is the exact same manual. I thought it was a different language, but it's exactly the same. I love this cable. It's nice and flat. I'm loving these cables. They're different. I don't know why I like them, but I prefer them to the old round ones. So it's a USB to C. Look how small this is. I couldn't wait to get to this part. Look how small that is. It's so nice and flat and thin, and I wasn't sure if it was gonna be as powerful for a very tiny lamp, and it's actually quite strong. I'll show you up ahead. And the cord is actually long enough. It's quite long. I had to shorten it to be able to use it. Yeah, so it has those 6 LED lamps, and it's wide enough to be able to fit all your 4 fingers, and it's perfect for flash curing, not for like a full cure. And it's perfect, and it has 2 settings. Yes, the first one is the 45 seconds, and if you press it again, it will cure for 60 seconds. All right, now moving on to the polishes. Oh, I'm thinking it's supposed to be 4 polishes. Okay, the 5th item, or the 6th item, was this cuticle oil, because I saw everybody had it, and the first time I was asked to choose these colors, I wanted the cuticle oil, but I was like, I prefer to have more of their polishes than the cuticle oil. So that's why this time I got the cuticle oil. So here are these different polishes, and I didn't choose them based on any theme. I just chose them based on what do I have, or what do I not have, or what would I love to have from Nail Reserve. So here's the total of the 6 for polishes, and the 5th and the 6th is the cuticle oil, and it's beautiful. It smells so nice. It smells so lovely. It smells like, I would say, like summer. It smells fresh and welcoming, like green tea. Well, it's green tea. It's called green tea flavored, but it smells so fresh and refreshing. It smells like, definitely, I would describe it as summer. So it's not sticky. It's not oily. It's mixed with water, and so it doesn't leave a shiny, sticky, oily. Yeah. So the first color that I'm going to swatch now is called Romance. It's this beautiful turquoise blue. It's nice and thick. Yeah, it's nice and thick, and it's not runny, but it also moves nicely and applies very evenly. And as you can see, that was one coat, and with one coat it's enough, but obviously nobody goes one coat on anything. So I decided to use 2 different type of swatch sticks for the 2 different color backgrounds, and 3 out of the 4 polishes, I was trying to test this light out just to see if it will do a proper cure, and it did cure it fully, completely. And you see there are little shimmers, very fine shimmers in there. That's very beautiful. And I'm gonna be doing a set with this color. So I wanted to see, the next color is Sassy, and it has some fine glitters, and the color goes towards rose gold with a touch of purple in there, if you see it. And this one definitely needs 2 coats. So the light, I was just testing to see if it cures it fully. That's why I touched, after it cured, I touched the gel polish, the swatch, to see if it sticks to my gloves, and it didn't, which means it gave it a full cure. But I still would not suggest you use it for like a full curing lamp. It's perfect for flash curing. That's beautiful. Look at that rose gold. It looks better on the pink swatch stick. And this one I didn't apply it on. I don't know why I didn't show the video where how it goes on when you apply it. It is called Pinot Noir, and it is a beautiful red, and it's obviously Pinot Noir is named after the grapes that they make the red wine with. I didn't show this orange one also, and the name of it is called Electric Orange. It's a beautiful orange. And if you don't know, orange is my favorite color, and I don't have the perfect orange that I love, that I can actually even use during Halloween, and this is the perfect orange for me to use on Halloween. So I've got this hand ready, prepped, ready to go for me making a set, doing a set with one of these colors. So I decided to apply this cuticle oil just to see how it goes on. And as you can see, it's not shiny, but it leaves a nice moisturized look on my hand without making the hand shine. And you saw the amount that I put on here. I didn't even touch this hand with my other hand. I just rubbed the hand as I'm rubbing right now. It's a perfect, so it has ingredients at the back. You remember the water that I said it looks like it had water. So in order for you to use it effectively, they advise you to shake it, shake. And did you see it has a dropper? It's a dropper. Yeah. It's not the normal either roller cuticle oil or the brush cuticle oil. This one is a dropper. It's beautiful. I love it. I love the smell. I love everything about this cuticle oil. So, okay, I will not walk you through this set because it's not about the set really. It's about the polish that I will be using on here. So let me just quickly tell you about Nail Reserve if you are not aware of them. They are a company that prides themselves for being like one of the companies that provide nail products that are extremely affordable, and they mostly, I think, I could be wrong, the focus on at home nail techs, or people who do nails at home, then supply salons, I think. But the products that they supply give you that salon quality looking finish, and they also pride themselves with them being vegan, their products being vegan, and they have 21 free formulas, which means the more harmful formulas that you get in the nail products that they put in nail products, they have removed those 21 of those harmful formulas, and their products are not tested on animals, so they are not animal cruelty things done to test their products to see if they will work on humans, which means they animal friendly. So another thing that they pride themselves on, by the way, is that their products will last up to 3 weeks on you. I haven't tested that out, but I can't believe it because I have worn a few of their products and I never keep any of my nail sets for longer than 2 weeks, so I can't exactly prove that it is true, but I can believe that it can go on for that long. So with all that said, if you're interested in buying any of their products, you can get up to 50% discount on your purchase if you use my link in the description that I'm going to leave in the description below. And don't worry about it. The money that you're gonna be spending on their website, none of it comes to me. I don't get a cent from it. It's just you get discounted because I'm the one whose link you used, and yeah, you saw it here. Also, this link of mine, when you do use it, you must remember that there are 2 exceptions. You can only use it when you buy a minimum of 2 products or more. You can't use it for one, it won't apply. So buy 2 products or more, then it will apply. And also it doesn't apply if they are currently running a promotion on the website on any items that they have a promotion on. It doesn't work on there, and it also doesn't work on bundles, whatever bundles that they might be having or any specials that they're running on their website. The link doesn't apply to that. So I hope all the information that I've given you here about the Nail Reserve is what you needed. If there is anything that you wanted or want to know or needed to know more of, you can let me know in the comment section below, and then I can get back to you. All right, everyone, that's it for this review, and I hope I said everything that needed to be said and you have enough information to go and get yourself some products from Nail Reserve. Okay, everyone, thank you very much. Goodbye. Take care.